So this is part 2 of the video series on problems on divisions of algebraic expressions. In this question, you have to carry out the following divisions. The first one is 28x raised to the power of 4 divided by 56x. So basically we have to divide 28x raised to the power of 4 by this 56x. Now can we write this as 28 divided by 56 and multiplied by x raised to the power of 4 by x, right? We can write in this form. Now the highest common factor of 28 and 56 is 28 itself, and if you divide both the numerator and the denominator by 28, you get 1 by 2 multiplied by x raised to the power of 4 divided by x means x raised to the power of 4 minus 1. So this gives you 1 by 2 multiplied by x cubed, that is x cubed by 2. This is the quotient or the answer of this division. In the second one, you have minus 36y cubed divided by 9y squared. It means that you have to perform this division. And now let's group together this. This minus 36 can be written minus 36 by 9 can be written as like this, and this y cubed by y squared, right? 36 divided by 9, here you have minus sign, so 36 divided by 9 is 4, therefore you'll get minus 4 multiplied by y cubed minus 2, that is equal to minus 4y. So this is the answer or the quotient of this division. 66pq squared r cubed divided by 11qr squared. So basically you have to divide this. Now this is 66. You can write this as 11 multiplied by 6 multiplied by p multiplied by q squared and multiplied by r cubed divided by, or let's take the same approach as we have followed so far. So 66 by 11 multiplied by, you don't have any variable p in the denominator, so just write it as p by 1 multiplied by, this is q squared, so q squared by q, and multiplied by, this is r cubed divided by r squared. So from here 66 divided by 11 gives you 6 multiplied by p multiplied by, this is q raised to the power of 2 minus 1 multiplied by r raised to the power of 3 minus 2, this gives you 6pqr. so this is the quotient of this division. Now from here you have 34x cubed y cubed z cubed, and that has to be divided by 51. Let me write it here. 51x y squared z cubed. So let's write it like this: 34 divided by 51, and this is x cubed divided by x multiplied by y cubed divided by y squared multiplied by z cubed divided by z cubed. So the highest common factor of 34 and 51 is 17. If you divide both the numerator and the denominator by 17, you get 2 by 3. This is multiplied by x raised to the power 3 minus 1 multiplied by y raised to the power 3 minus 2 multiplied by, this is z cubed by z cubed, so this gets cancelled. Same, you'll get z3 minus 3, that is 3 minus 3 means what? Z raised to the power of 0. Z raised to the power of 0 means what? This is equal to 1, right? So we can ignore this. Now here you have 2 by 3 multiplied by x squared multiplied by y, that is equal to 2x squared y 3, right? So this is the answer of this division. Now here it is 12 multiplied by a raised to the power of 8 multiplied by b raised to the power of 8 divided by minus 6, minus 6 multiplied by a raised to the power of 6 multiplied by b raised to the power of 4. Now this can be written as 12 by minus 6 multiplied by a raised to the power of 8 divided by a raised to the power of 6 multiplied by b raised to the power of 8 divided by b raised to the power of 4. This 12 by minus 6 can be written as minus 12 by 6. Why? Because minus p by q is equal to p by minus q is equal to this negative sign in the middle, p by q. This is the normal concept of rational number that we have learned. Sorry, rational number. So this is now a raised to the power of 8 minus 6 multiplied by b raised to the power of 8 minus 4. Minus 12 divided by 6 gives you minus 2. A raised to the power of 8 minus 6 gives you a raised to the power of 2, and this gives you b raised to the power of 4. So this is your answer, right?